We are back again. Our topic is equation angles in equation angles and shapes. This topic really, I'm not convinced whether we should do it now, because you have to do a separate topic on angles, isn't it? Angles and shapes. But I just want to show you the algebra side of it. Okay, the algebra side of shapes. You have to know what is this. This is a
equilateral triangle.
No, I didn't say equilateral. It's a triangle. Okay, where is equilateral? If it's equilateral, I would have put that in it.
Oh, yeah.
Meaning two sides are equal. Okay? Yeah? Or opposite angles are. Because equilateral angle, opposite angles are. The angles are the same, in it. No, equilateral is all the sides are the same. This will be equilateral, in it. Equilateral. And then isosceles. In fact, that is not my aim anyway.
Isosceles a bit longer.
Okay, this will be equal, yeah? At least two sides are equal, in it. But they all make up how many degrees? That's what I'm after. 180 degrees. So all triangles add up to 180 degrees. So what about a square in it? A square, if this is x, that will be x, that will be x, that will be x. If this is x plus 1, this will be x plus 1 as well, in it. When is it? Try a square, all the sides are equal. Yeah. Now, let's look at a rectangle. If this is x plus 1, it goes that this also is x plus. If this is 2x plus 2, then this also will be 2x plus 2. So these are the properties that I want you to know. Now I want you to know also a straight line, okay? If I angle like this, these two angles, you add them together, 180 degrees, in it. Okay. Now, if I have a shape like this, even though it is not a square or a rectangle, if I have it like this, one thing you know that it's made of 360 degrees, as this one, 360 degrees, yes, 360 degrees. This is what I wanted you to know. Although, look here, when you have alternate angles, okay, that and that, yes, they are equal, in it. Yeah. Corresponding angles, they add up to, these two add up to 180 degrees, yes? And opposite angles, yes? That is that and that, in it. Yeah, they are also equal, yes? Now you have to know these things, yes? You have to know these things. And you know that that angle and that angle can also be corresponding. Okay, that's what I want you to know. Look at this. So this is the application we are going to do now. Although when you come to do angles, lines, and shapes, you will do this, okay? But I'm after the algebra side of it, okay? So therefore, if we have a shape like this, okay? This is x plus 30 degrees, okay? So, and this is 3x plus 50 degrees. X plus 50 degrees. Okay, don't rush, let's do it together. Okay, don't rush, let's do it together. Basically, we know a straight line is 180 degrees, yes? Yeah. So it goes that 3x plus 50 degrees, that's this angle, plus x plus 30 degrees, which is this angle, all equal to 180 degrees. Now, if we put everything together, it basically means x plus x is 4x, in it. 3x plus x and 50 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, yes? Then 4x plus 80 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, yes? Then it goes that 4x is equal to 180 minus 80 in it. So 4x is equal to 100, x is equal to 25 degrees in it. Yes. This is the type of style, yeah. This is the type of application I'm talking to you about. I want us to do. Now look at some curious examples here. Similar. This is x, this is 4x, and this is 3x plus 20 degrees, yes? Okay? So, same application. Okay, gentlemen? How do we sort this out?
Okay, so you just do it all together. So X,
Yes.
yeah.
We're going to say x plus 4x plus 3x plus 20 is equal to 180 degrees in it. Okay. So x plus 4x plus 3x is what? 5x plus is 8x it is, plus 20 is equal to 180. Then 8x is equal to 180 minus 20 in it, and 8x is equal to 160. X is equal to 160 divided by 8. Then x is equal to 20 degrees. Am I going fast?
No.
Yeah. I don't want to, because now we have been doing this for a long time. That's why I'm going so fast, okay? Assuming that you are following all my steps. Okay? We arrange the like times, okay? Then on the end, we get x is equal to something. Okay? This is the type of questions under this type of topic. Before we get to oh la la. Okay, guys. Now we are coming to our old triangle. They say this one is x plus 35 degrees. And this is 2x. And this is x plus 5 degrees. X plus 5 degrees. So what is x? The question is, what is x? Okay? What is x? This the same thing, isn't it? Yeah. Same thing. We put all the things together. 2x plus x plus 35 plus x plus 5 is equal to 180 degrees. Then, when you put all the x together, 2x plus 3x plus this is 4x in it. Plus 35 plus this is 40. 35 plus 5. 4x plus 40 is equal to 180 in it. 4x is equal to 180 minus 40 in it. 4x is equal to 140. X is equal to 140 divided by 4 in it. And that is x is equal to 35 in it. Yes. X is equal to 35 degrees. Yes. Simple.
Yes.
Yeah. Simple. Now let's look at last on this. And then we look at our shapes again. Now look at this circle. Okay. This is 3x plus 20. 4x plus 30. Okay. This is x plus 40. So let's say 40.
90.
Hmm?
So, wait, 7, 8. So 8x. 8x
Hmm?
equal to 90. And then x will be 90 divided by 8.
80.
Yeah. What's that, 100?
Okay? Or if you want, you can say,
Wait, 1 second. Wait.
sorry,
That's 100.
x plus 10 degrees. And this one is 10 plus then 60. 40 plus this is 60. How do you guys think we can solve this one?
There's the same thing, but equals to 360.
Because this, now the circle is how much? 360 degrees, yes. So therefore 3x, which is that segment, plus 20, plus 4x plus 30, plus x plus 10, plus 120 is equal to 360 degrees. Remember, they can give you hexagon in it.
I think that's 418.
They can give you this. Halima, what is the formula for finding the number of degrees? Sorry? Finding the angle is into n minus 2. N is the number of. Don't forget this formula. I used to beat Halima and Mustafa, Hakim, on this. Because I give it to them, okay? I give them few months again, the guy will forget it. Okay? So if you have a quadrilateral, if you want to find the angle, the formula is 180 into the side minus 2. So if this is how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, isn't it? So each angle is 180 into 5 minus 2 in it. So that's 180 times 3, which is what? 540 degrees.
Yeah.
Do you see? Yes. Ali, don't forget that formula. Okay? In respect of what's how many sides they give you, just apply that formula. Okay? If it's 6 sides, you put 6 where n is. If it's 7 sides, you put 7 where n is. Okay? So here, let's arrange everything together. Okay? We'll have 3x plus 4x plus x plus 20 plus 30 plus 10 plus 120 is equal to 180. Oh, 360 degrees. Sorry, 360 is equal to 360 degrees. All this together is 8x. All this together how much? 20 plus this, 50 plus this is 180. Is equal to 360. So basically 8x will be equal to 360 minus 180. So 8x is equal to 180, yes. So x is equal to 180 divided by 8, in it. And how much is that? That is 90 divided by 4. 45 divided by 2. And that is 22.5 degrees, yes? So x is 22.5 degrees, yes. Is there any difficult in this? So math is always principle. Once you understand the principle, it's easy to sort it out. Okay? Now let's look at our figures now. I'm going to give you a simple one, yes? Let's say you have, because the example we did is like this. I think that's the example we did here. A square, this is a square, rectangle. I think before we break, we did an example like this, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because what did we say with a square? All the sides are equal. So if this is x, invariable, all the sides will be equal. So if the perimeter is equal to 100, what is x? What is the side? Divide 100 by 4. Now, let's see, x side will be x in it. So basically, around this side will be x plus x plus x plus x in it, which is equal to 4. So the perimeter is equal to 4x in it. Yes, that's the perimeter, 4x. So therefore, the question said the perimeter is equal to 100. Then therefore, 100 is equal to 4x. Therefore, x is equal to what? 100 divided by 4. So x is equal to 25 centimeter. But what is the area? 25 times? Okay, now look at it here. Look at it this way. Area will be length times breadth in it, which is equal to x squared in it. Yes. And the x squared, we don't know x is, but since we have worked out the value of x, we are going to say the area is equal to 25 times 25, which is equal to what? 625 centimeters. What is 25 square? Yes. Okay. Ali? Is there anything you don't understand here?
No, I understand.
You understand, yeah? Okay. Now let's look at a rectangle. Let's look at a rectangle. Now, you know the question we saw? It says prove that this thing, x plus 1, x plus 3, or x plus 2, 2x plus 6 is equal to, this is a right angle triangle. If it's a right angle triangle, this must be 90 degrees. Then Pythagoras told us that the hypotenuse square is equal to the square root of the square of both in it. Plus 2x plus 2. Now, if this is equal to that, then this is a right angle triangle. But if it's not equal to it, then it's not a right angle triangle. Okay? Yes. Okay. This one tells us that a rectangle, this is 3x plus 1. And this is x plus 3. Now, therefore, the perimeter is equal to 42. Okay. Can you work this thing out? And hence find the area. Hence find x. Okay. Number 2, find the area. Okay. So we can pause there. Let you guys work. Okay. Let's look at this. Okay. The perimeter is 4. That means all the area around this is equal to 4. We said for a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal in it. So if this is x plus 4, that must be x plus 4. So basically, that's like 2 times x plus 4. So we can say this also will be x plus 4. X plus 4. This also will be 3x plus 1. So basically, x plus 3, x plus 3, x plus 3 plus x plus 3 plus 3x plus 1 plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 42. And that's equal to perimeter, in it? Yes. Okay, so we add everything together, in it? X plus 3x plus 3x plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 42. So all this is how many x? 8x in it. Yeah. And if you add all this, this is 6 plus, this is 8 in it. Yeah. Is equal to 42. So 8x is equal to 42 minus 8. Then 8x is equal to 34. X is equal to 34 divided by 8. So what is the area?
X is equal to 4.25. X equal to 4.25.
So now, if you want to find x, the area, we substitute for the value of x in that side and that side in it. Okay? This side, it will be 3 times